Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for Jenny. Thank you, Jenny, for being a patron again this month. She requested a Chic Spring sticker book spread. So I'm going to use this theme. This is the one that she requested from this book. It's a really, again, butterflies. Add more butterflies. That's like a thing that I'm doing, I guess. This month. Lots of butterflies and spreads, but they're really pretty. This book is still available, Chic Spring. Lots of great stickers in here. Also boxes. So I will be pulling these boxes because they do go well with this theme. And I'm just going to do a horizontal spread because she does use this for journaling, which when I use a horizontal, that's what I use my spread for. All right, I'm going to grab some wax paper so I can start pulling. I love this moon with the flowers. That's really pretty. I'm not a fan of hands, but I'm going to put the hands in because they're cute in their own way. So yeah, I'm going to add them in. The sun is pretty. Oh, I can pull it off. Can I get it off? Yes. I got the sun. Of course, the butterflies. Gotta put some butterflies on the page. The little teacup is cute. So I'm just pulling right now. Also have these. These are clear stickers. So I'm gonna get my tweezers to help me pull these off. This one's cool because it's like on the corner. So I can use this. Actually, I'm gonna set it down first because it's perfect for right over here. This corner piece here. Oh, I put it down. You got all squished. Okay. Hold please. Let me grab my board. Okay. That way I can put this down without worrying about getting it on my table. Because I got a new table and I don't want to ruin the top. So, although I think it'll be fine. It's just I'm being extra careful with my new desk. Because it's too pretty. And actually this top, it did get damaged when it got installed. So I'm getting a new one, but I plan on giving this top to my mom. So she actually doesn't even know that yet, but I'm gonna give it to her because I figure she will be able to repurpose it some way. She's very crafty and handy. Okay, so I'm pulling some more flowers. This quote is, actually don't even know what this quote says. Let me pull it and then I'll read it. Something about wildflowers. Okay, it says, "You belong among the wildflowers." Okay, so I got a cute quote. I really like these flowers. Pull these. This one's pretty, this purple one. Okay, and then boxes. I'm just going to start pulling boxes out of this pink one. Actually, I want to do, let's do the blue one. And then I can do pink. And I'm gonna put some flowers. This little sun is cute. I'm thinking the teacup on top. And then let me add in a butterfly. And then I'm going to draw, let's see, let me find a good pen. These have been good because they're kind of dark, but not too dark. And draw in the little trail. I'm getting better at doing that. Before I used to always put down the pencil first, and then I would go over it with the pen. But now, so I've been doing it a lot more, just feel more comfortable doing it on its own, which is cool. Let me grab one of these small ones. Okay, I think that's a cute cluster like that. All right, more boxes. Let's get more boxes. Now there's not a lot of box size variety in here, so, but I kind of like the color, so I'm gonna stick to what I have in here. Let me add this hand. The hand throws me off, but we're gonna add it in. Oops. There. Okay. And then I can put this here. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Put the sun here. And let's do a little remember. Since it's a journaling spread, remember is a good word. Like, I won't use to do or goals, but I can use today. Today's another good word. I'll probably use that somewhere else, but yeah. So I have today, remember. Those would be the only ones, because everything else is too like specific to like doing something. So I'm going to use these bullet points as more spots to write in. Okay, let's do some blue ones too. Over here. I want to stick like flowers or something. Let's see, where can I stick flowers? I pulled this one. Maybe not that. Maybe one of these, like in the base, would be cute. I feel like it should be on top of a box. Okay, let me grab a box. Let's put this here. Oops. Okay. That looks cute. Okay, I'll probably put more on that side in a bit, but I want to work on this side. And let's grab another box, like the large box, this pink one. But I'm going to put it this way, just so it's a little different from the other side. And then layer a small one on top. Okay, I'm going to put down this moon. It's really pretty on top of there. Of course, I have to do another butterfly, so we'll have him coming off of this side. And then the little like trail. I'm gonna have it dip down a little bit too. Okay, like that. Cute. Oops. Okay. I like this little light bulb, so I'm gonna put it here, and then I'll add boxes around that. And then I have this today, so let's put this today over here. Okay, add a couple of bullet points too. Let's see, I'm gonna do the light pink color. Let's do some here. Okay, more boxes. So let's do pink. And I'm gonna get more of this color. Actually, let me do the blue. No, I think this one, yeah. Okay, so yeah, boxes, and maybe I can add, like, this one's cute, a little like dome. Although that's kind of big. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah. Oops, I like that one. All right, and then I have flowers. Flowers. I feel like that's too big. So let's try these smaller ones. Okay, I'm not liking that. Let's do these. These purple one. I like these because they don't have stems. They're just a little bit easier to like add onto this spread, I feel. One more. Okay. Alrighty, let's add in, I have these hands. Okay, I have one coming off from the left. I kind of want one coming off from the right, but then again, maybe I should have it coming off this way. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see if I put it there. I could put it here. I'm thinking here. Okay. And maybe some more bullet points. Let's do blue because I don't have much blue on this spread. So let me grab these blue ones. Do a couple here. And one down here. Okay, that looks pretty. I mean, I kind of want to figure out a way to add these flowers. I don't know how I want to add these. Let's see if I just add one here. I'm going to cut this off. Let me grab another one. We could just have them coming off of the sides. Okay, I kind of like that. I'll just scatter some flowers around. Ooh, these ones are pretty. These little blue ones. Okay, so I'm liking that. That helps to fill in the area a little bit. Let me add in this one. I'm just gonna add them where I feel like it looks empty. Oops. Okay, I do not want to do this. The only bad thing about these scissors, like, they just fly off of these scissors. Okay, this side looks good. I like that side. So let me add some more flowers to this side. Let's do this blue one. Should probably do it on top of the wax paper so it falls on there. Okay, let's do this pink one. I should do the pink sleeve. This one. And then I feel like maybe down here a bit. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, pretty. I think that looks really good. All right, so that is gonna be it for this spread. I don't think I have a washi that I have on hand that will match with this, so yeah, there's a lot going on with the flowers. I don't want to take away from it, so I think this is where I'm going to end this. So Jenny, I hope you enjoy your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. The last thing I'm going to do off camera though is I'm going to repunch all these holes with my paper. Oh, here it is right here. If you guys don't have this, this thing is amazing. It's from Michael's. Well, I got it at Michael's with a coupon, so I definitely suggest purchasing it with a coupon. But this thing punches very nicely through all these holes without ever jamming. Because if you have the Happy Planner punch, you know that thing will jam, especially with stickers. So I never use my Happy Planner punch anymore to punch through stickers. I only use it to punch through paper that doesn't have anything on it. So yeah, highly suggest getting one of these. I'll have it linked down in the description. But that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.